All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races once again, all my friends, all my buddies. Who has more fun than us? Absolutely nobody. Watching EM Jones, he got the whole shot, first one through our soaring sky start finish line, but a little bit of a switch up. It is giddy up, losing a little bit of ground, but everyone having problems in that corner. I thought Super Koopa got in front of EM Jones, but now it's going to be EM Jones leading Super Koopa. Now Super Koopa ahead of EM Jones out in that spiral section. Now it is EM Jones ahead of Super Koopa. An amazing battle here, 1 and 3. And it's not because they're having an outstanding battle. They're just getting blown around in the wind. Not funny. I hate to giggle. Fortunately, I think they're all in the top 64. EM Jones now first one through the top side of Michael's ladder that is looking pretty good here in all that wind. Here comes EM Jones through the tunnel. Right behind him, Super Koopa, and now EM Jones a little loosey-goosey before the start and finish gate. Super Koopa with the same mistake, and so these guys, I can't wait to DVR review this one. This is comical. I'm glad they're both in. They're having fun, but we may have to be practicing, turning our qualifying into practicing for our pilots and their mindsets for tomorrow. Is it going to be as windy as it is today? So if they are qualified, now it's seeing where that wind is prevalent and what to do. Here comes Pyrofly onto lap number 2 right through us. Boom, Pyrofly stinking it in our start finish gate. As we look to the Super Koopa EM Jones show on lap number 2, it's still Super Koopa ahead of EM Jones, but only one section of the ladder. Now look at the tunnel. They're going to go on to lap number 3. There's Super Koopa. There's EM Jones. Super Koopa having some issues. EM Jones having issues as well. One missing the gate going back. One missing the dive gate going back. And now EM Jones stuck in the dive gate. And Super Koopa, your leader here for track position, up on lap number 3. Great battle, guys. That is at 10:44 a.m. Play that one back. Did we live stream it? Adrian, are we live streaming? Yeah, play that one back in the live stream. That was comical and awesome to enjoy right there. That is the highlight of this event for racing, the Super Koopa and EM Jones show. This one is just for fun. Everyone on this run, the ding has come out. The checkered flag is about to come out, too, to finish. As we'll bring around Super Koopa first. He's got some company in Jacob's ladder, Michael's tower, the Tornado Tower. That's Dane to round out his third lap. Super Koopa with a black screen. When it's all said and done, it'd be about 3 laps, 2:12. I think there's no changes there. Dane getting 3 laps in this session. It'll be 3 laps in 2:18. That's going to be an improvement for Dane. That's going to move him into the top 64. So good news for one. Dane FEV now 55th overall unofficially with his 3 laps done, his fastest 3 of the 3, which was a 2:18 to put him up in the number 55 spot. EM Jones, no advancing, but he's still in the number 48 spot. Again, Super Koopa, he's inside of the top 30 right now from earlier. That's it and all. Let's retrieve some quads.